Start. Louder.
We heard some rattling in the cupboard. Go for it. Damn it, Kevin! What are you doing?
What?
Just close it.